Guys, right now I am sitting at Ahmedabad railway station and I am here to go to Palwal railway station. From there, I will go to my college to pay my exam fees. The train will come and after that I will get into the train. And you can see one train is passing from here. It is in full speed. You can see. I think it will be Rajdhani. Guys, you can see right now I am sitting and you can see the passengers are sitting. They are waiting for the train. You can see the train has come and this is the luggage train. You can see one dog is standing on the railway station and as far as you will see the construction is going on. They are constructing it and within few days it will complete. Guys, you can see three police personals are wandering and they are just doing the drill kinds of things. They are inspecting and they are checking and also they are getting their video recorded so that they can and they are talking. Now you can see they are standing and they are saying something and you can see that is the boy who is recording their video and this would be some work. Now you can see other side the passengers are waiting for their train since the train is about to come and they are about to get into the train. You can see the train has come and this is full packed. You can see and they are waiting and they will get into it. 2 मिनट रुकेगी 1 मिनट 1 मिनट अभी तो 9:21 हो गए. Now you can see the passengers are going after getting off the train. You can see a lot of passengers are going and the train has stopped and you can see some passengers who is going to Delhi has got into the train and they are about